subscribe, like, click.
Who's this? Oh, this furry puppy that came to Lime's house looks like he needs help. Let's take a look together. Which one should I start with? I think these hairs are a problem, don't you? What do your friends think? First, let's brush out the tangles. Oops, that hurt. Sorry. I think I'm going to have to trim all the tangled hairs. I'll cut the fur short with the hair clippers. Let's go. Wow, that's a lot of hair. I need to pick up the pace. Huh? That's not a puppy. If you know who it is, leave a comment telling us where you saw it. I'll brush off the stray hairs. Wow, it was a tiger, not a puppy. What's your name? Oh, you were Duffy the tiger with the cool pattern. So cute. Derpy's claws are so sharp they're dangerous. Let's get our claws trimmed. I'm so proud of Derpy for cutting his toenails so gently. Do your friends take good care of their pets? It may be annoying or difficult, but it's something that needs to be done. I'll chop it up a bit so it's not so sharp. Let's see what it looks like in every nook and cranny. Wow, it's perfect! Thirsty? Let's get some water! I'll carefully immerse the Derpy in the hot water in the prepared bathtub. I was worried, but I think I like the water temperature. I don't have tiger shampoo, so I'll use dog shampoo for now. I need a sponge to make lots of lather. He's a great bather, and Derpy is so sweet. I'll take you to your room. I've got a fluffy cushion for you. You'll love it. Let's blow dry Derpy's fur to perfection. Ouch, there's a wound. Let's get you to the hospital first. Derpy, you're a good boy. I'll brush your fur to make it shiny. Oh, I'm smitten with the charming Derpy. Are your friends too? Derpy, hold on a second. I want to give you a G8. A bit small. Wait, I have a friend who can introduce you to them. This is Sussy the magpie. Say hello to everyone. Okay. He gave Susie the gift of concessions. It's a great match, isn't it? And that's how they became friends. How did you like it, friends? If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next installment of the illustrated story.
Pikachu, Pika Pika.
What the heck happened to Pikachu? Pikachu needs to be cleaned up. Help your friends help Pikachu. Let's go! We've got what Pikachu needs. First, let's remove the leaves with tweezers.
Pika Pika. Pika Pika.
Oops, I'll have to remove the petals too.
Pika Pika.
Remove the last leaf as well. It looks like Pikachu has been playing in the woods, doesn't it?
Pika, pika, pika.
Yikes! What's that? If I get a tick from the grass, I'm in trouble! Hurry up and get rid of it! I hate bugs! Don't your friends?
Pika, pika. Pika, pika.
Oh, there's one more scary, gross bug. The fur is fluffy. Looks like Pikachu needs a brush. Oh, no! The bugs were hiding in here too! Oh, I'm not scared of ladybugs though. I'll get rid of the cute ladybugs too. I've been brushing my hair and it's looking so smooth. Slay! Wow, that's a lot of tweezers to remove. Now it's time to clean yourself up. I'm going to wash myself with Yo Pokemon shampoo right now.
Pika, pika. Pika, pika, pika.
Oh, Pikachu is very clean, isn't he? Wipe it dry with a towel. I don't want you to catch a cold, so I'll blow dry you. Go off. Wow, it's perfect! And finally, we're going to apply a cream that will moisturize your skin.
Pika, pi, Pikachu. Pika, pika. Pika, pika, pika. Pika, pi, Pikachu. Pika, pika.
What do you think?
Pika,
It wasn't hard to take care of Pikachu, was it? Stay tuned for the next installment of the illustrated story.